Number 13. Farreach A1. Starting strong with the Farreach A1, this isn't just another communication device, it's your lifeline when cellular towers fail. Picture this, you're on a road trip through remote mountain passes. Your phone shows no bars and you need help. The Farreach A1 creates its own mesh network, allowing you to communicate with other users up to several miles away without any infrastructure. What makes this revolutionary is its decentralized approach. Unlike traditional radios that require line of sight, the A1 uses advanced algorithms to route messages through other users' devices, creating an invisible safety net across highways and remote areas. Installation takes minutes. Just mount it on your dashboard and pair with your smartphone. The real magic happens during emergencies. Whether it's a breakdown, accident, or natural disaster, you can send your exact GPS coordinates to nearby Farreach users who can relay information to emergency services. It's like having a digital guardian angel watching over every mile you drive. Number 12. Weekender tank. Range anxiety isn't just for electric vehicles anymore. With fuel prices fluctuating and gas stations becoming scarce on remote routes, the Weekender tank is your answer to extended adventures. This isn't your grandfather's jerry can, it's a sophisticated auxiliary fuel system designed for modern vehicles. The engineering here is impressive. Made from military-grade materials with anti-corrosion coatings, it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's existing fuel system. Safety features are paramount. It includes automatic pressure relief, crash-resistant mounting, and leak detection sensors. Whether you're overlanding through Nevada's backcountry or simply want peace of mind during hurricane evacuations, this tank transforms your vehicle's capabilities without compromising safety or aesthetics. Number 11. Cup holder phone mount for car. Here's something brilliant in its simplicity, a phone mount that actually makes sense. Most car mounts are afterthoughts bolted onto air vents or stuck to windshields. This cup holder mount transforms dead space into the perfect viewing angle. The genius is in the adjustability. It accommodates everything from compact phones to tablets with 360-degree rotation and height adjustment. The weighted base provides rock-solid stability even during aggressive cornering or emergency stops. No more phones flying across your cabin during sharp turns. But here's what sets it apart. The ergonomic positioning puts your screen at the optimal viewing angle to reduce neck strain during long drives. It's positioned perfectly for hands-free calling, GPS navigation, and accessing your favorite driving apps without taking your eyes off the road for dangerous periods. The Simpson Car Safety Hammer isn't just a tool, it's your escape plan when everything goes wrong. This compact device packs 3 critical functions that could save your life and your passengers' lives. The spring-loaded glass breaker delivers precise, concentrated force to shatter tempered glass instantly. Unlike traditional hammers that require strength and accuracy, this activates with minimal pressure, crucial when you're injured, disoriented, or dealing with rising water. The mounting system keeps it within arm's reach but secured during normal driving. It's one of those products you hope you'll never need, but if the moment comes, it could be the difference between life and death. Number 9. Liberator Car Head Hard Tablet Holder. Long road trips with restless passengers are about to become peaceful journeys. The Liberator Car Headrest tablet holder transforms your backseat into a mobile entertainment center that rivals first-class airline setup. The engineering focuses on universal compatibility and rock-solid stability. It securely holds everything from small tablets to large iPads, with adjustable arms that distribute weight evenly. The multi-joint design allows passengers to find their perfect viewing angle without fighting against rigid positioning. This isn't just about entertainment, it's about family harmony. Kids stay engaged with educational content, adults can work during long commutes, and everyone arrives at their destination refreshed instead of cranky from boredom. Number 8. Farreach Air SCA. Your car's cabin air is often more polluted than the air outside, especially in urban environments. The Farreach Air SCA system addresses this with hospital-grade filtration that transforms your vehicle's air quality. The multi-stage filtration system captures everything from dust and pollen to harmful microscopic particles and odors. The HEPA filter removes 99.97% of particles larger than 0.3 microns, while the activated carbon layer eliminates odors and chemical vapors from traffic pollution. Installation integrates with your existing HVAC system without modifications. Whether you're dealing with seasonal allergies, urban smog, or just want the cleanest possible cabin environment, This system delivers noticeable improvements in air quality and overall comfort. Number 7. Cobra Rad 380 Radar Detector. Speed awareness technology has evolved dramatically, and the Cobra Rad 380 represents the cutting edge of radar detection. This isn't about encouraging speeding, it's about staying informed and maintaining consistent, safe speed. The detection capabilities are impressive. Long-range sensitivity picks up radar signals miles before you reach speed enforcement zones, giving you plenty of time to check your speedometer and adjust accordingly. The advanced filtering system eliminates false alerts from automatic door openers and collision avoidance systems that plague older detectors. The GPS database automatically updates speed camera locations and known false alert spots. What sets this apart is the community feature. It connects with other Cobra users to share real-time alerts about speed traps, accidents, and road hazards. It's like having thousands of other drivers watching out for you on every journey. Number 6. WeBoost Drive Reach. Dead zones and weak cellular signals aren't just inconvenient, they're dangerous when you need emergency services or navigation in unfamiliar areas. The WeBoost Drive Reach solves this with professional-grade signal amplification. This system captures weak cellular signals from distant towers and amplifies them up to 32 times their original strength. It works with all carriers simultaneously, so everyone in your vehicle gets improved signal regardless of their phone service provider. The installation is more involved than plug-and-play devices, but the results justify the effort. The external antenna mounts on your roof or trunk, while the amplifier unit connects to your vehicle's power system. During testing, I saw dramatic improvements in call quality, data speeds, and battery life. When your phone isn't constantly searching for signal, it uses significantly less power. Whether you're in rural areas, mountains, or urban canyons with poor coverage, this system keeps you connected. Number 5. Liberator Box. Vehicle security has become increasingly complex, and the Liberator Box addresses this with intelligent access control that balances convenience with protection. This isn't just a lockbox, it's a smart security system for your vehicle. The biometric access system recognizes your fingerprint in milliseconds, even with wet or dirty hands. The backup mechanical lock ensures access even if electronics fail, while the smartphone integration allows temporary access codes for family members, service technicians, or emergency responders. The reinforced construction resists tampering, drilling, and prying attacks that defeat traditional lockboxes. Installation options include permanent mounting or portable use. The alert system notifies your phone if someone attempts unauthorized access, while the activity log tracks all opening and closing events with timestamps. Number 4. WolfBox Portable Compressor. Tire maintenance is critical for safety, fuel economy, and tire longevity, but traditional methods are slow and inconvenient. The WolfBox Portable Compressor changes this with professional-level performance in a compact package. The high-efficiency motor inflates a standard tire from flat to full pressure in under 4 minutes, faster than many gas station compressors. The digital display shows real-time pressure with laboratory-grade accuracy, while preset modes automatically stop at your target pressure. The compact design fits in your glove compartment. But don't let the size fool you. This delivers serious performance. The 12V power connection draws directly from your vehicle, while the long air hose reaches all tires without moving the compressor. Number 3. iQ Air810 Car. Premium air purification comes to automotive applications with the iQ Air810 Car system. This represents the same technology used in hospitals and cleanrooms, adapted for vehicle cabins. The filtration technology is extraordinary. The Hyper HEPA filter captures particles 100 times smaller than traditional HEPA filters, removing ultrafine particles that other systems miss entirely. This includes virus particles, bacteria, and the smallest pollution particles that penetrate deep into lung tissue. The smart operation automatically adjusts filtration based on air quality sensors and occupancy detection. It ramps up during high pollution periods and conserves energy when air quality is good. The whisper quiet operation ensures it never interferes with conversation or audio entertainment. The installation integrates seamlessly with luxury and standard vehicles alike. The sleek design complements modern interiors while delivering measurable improvements in air quality that you can see on the integrated display. Number 2. Artago Car Anti-Theft Device. Vehicle theft technology has advanced, and traditional security measures are no longer sufficient. The Artago car anti-theft device responds with multi-layered protection that adapts to modern threat. The physical deterrent combines visible and hidden elements. The steering wheel lock provides obvious theft deterrence, while the hidden immobilizer prevents engine starting even if thieves bypass the physical lock. The integrated motion sensors detect any attempt to move or tow your vehicle. The smartphone integration provides real-time alerts and remote monitoring. The system learns your patterns and can distinguish between normal activity and theft attempts. False alarms are minimized while maintaining maximum security sensitivity. The backup battery ensures protection even if thieves disconnect your vehicle's power system. The rooftop cargo carrier transforms your vehicle's capacity without the expense and complexity of a larger vehicle. The aerodynamic design minimizes wind noise and fuel economy impact while maximizing interior volume. The dual-side opening provides access from either side of your vehicle, while the integrated locks secure your cargo during stops. The mounting system works with virtually any roof rack design and includes all necessary hardware. The weight distribution system ensures proper load balance, while the integrated tie-down points secure odd-shaped items. Whether you're moving between apartments, heading on family vacation, or hauling sports equipment, this carrier expands your vehicle's utility dramatically. The weather-sealed construction protects contents from rain, snow, and road spray during long journeys. From safety and security to comfort and convenience, each addresses real problems that affect millions of drivers daily. Which product caught your attention? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tech reviews, comparisons, and installation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we're testing the latest electric vehicle accessories that are changing the game